money.
I honestly
but
didn't like
let's
it.
make money.
Let's make money. The first thing she said, let's make money.
But how?
Let's
How?
not.
Okay, wait.
Let
now.
me go broke.
Yeah,
I
but
wouldn't
how are
mind
you
going-
supposed to make money? You didn't ask
But
that.
don't come. No, we already had like a few meetings.
Okay.
But don't come at me with a highlight or let's make money. Like how she said it scared the yellow bone out of me.
Yeah.
Ngeke.
Damn.
See something in me.
And you saw yellow.
first.
Yeah.
Ngikhulise.
Yeah.
Because I don't mind listening to. I can even listen to. I even listen to my son. I can't even hear a word he says.
Yeah.
You understand?
I get you.
But like, let's make money. Oh, we are user when.
Uyayibona approach.
No, like straight out uzongisebenzisa nje.
Yeah.
And ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukusebenza kahle if you're going to come with that certain energy.
So how was it like your past management like today?
Besides this one.
I wouldn't say they were like permanent management.
Okay.
Abantu engisebenzisana nabo.
We ama-managers
I don't like throwing out names.
Promoter phela ama-artist manager, right? This is a platform yase-entertainment, so you can name them. Which babona abantu ukuthi this is the person.
No,
you
I
talk
would love to because I didn't have the like a long journey. So ngifuna into ayikuthi yona futhi bingaqondile. Yeah, but they helped me so much, and there's two that were perfectly amazing. And
So you had like two managers at the same time?
not at the same time,
Or like, oh.
different times. It was. I wouldn't say it's management. Ngizothini like, futhi nokhona assistance is not a good word.
That's in.
No problem.
Mina ngathiwa ngibhukha uPolo B.
How?
It mina ngizomfonela ethiwa ngifuna imanager yakhe indoda yakhe. Ngiyaxolisa ukusho njalo la.
Angizwanga.
out the bag.
I have never had a management.
Delete when I think
Cats
it was like
out
last
the bag.
month
What? Are you
Cats out
serious?
the
number
bag.
ebhalwe
Yeah.
uPolo B banis manager.
But you know, man.
Anganombhali boyfriend nombhaleni la. But sengisho ukuthi ke
Unamanga wena.
that's what I got. Ngathi mina
I would never, no. I don't,
You don't
that's-
mix
that's-
business with pleasure.
My man has never, I've never had a partner that would manage me, ever. Ngazi ukuthi uqoma eklasini lokho. Umanje wena usuyangibuka. Ngazi ukuthi mase ngichaza la eklasini wena
Yeah.
ula.
Yeah.
Ulava boy wami ula uzongibona ngithola uF uyahlanya. Hlanya ngempela. No. Oh my God, that would be so uncomfortable for me.
It would be very. Angeke kusebenzeke kahle.
ayikho.
Hey, ngathi maningi. Ama-roommate esithawa.
Hey, wena.
No, but you just we are clearisha right now.
This is new to me.
This is a platform where
Brand
you
new
are
from the
I
clearing.
box.
promise you.
Clearisha,
This gave me something. I don't know why I kept this from you. Like, I'm like,
Why?
So you've known it?
but I how? What was this? Yeah, I knew. How?
When was this? How many years
We
ago?
live in that life.
Angiyazi mina lento.
Usuyayazi
It's either
man.
2020 or 2021.
Unesoka wena.
2021.
Yeah, boy.
Yabuye memo.
What was I doing with those years?
You're dancing on the table, man, couches.
No, wasn't like my joint.
Oh, ngeke
And I was there
bafethu.
to see that.
I think baba angeke kodwa 2020. Phela there was a guy I dated from 2019 to 2020, but he definitely didn't manage
industry.
me. Not in the industry. Ubezenza ghosty.
Ubezenza.
Be
Akasiwa.
until I got to a point where I'm like, kanti ngihlanyela ngayo wena self. I can't do that. I'm actually literally I communicate with him but not now. But ngiyamtshela ukuthi no.
Mabo ngisebenzoyicheck abakhuluma
Uyapeta. From 2019/2020.
Imanga ngaleyo mnyaka wena you telling me you had a man.
Of course.
Now,
How old was I? How old was I go 2019?
How old were
I'm a
you?
93.
How old were you?
I'm a 93. Please let's
Can you do the math production?
and
Math,
then
please. 93.
2019 to mina ngwa 93.
Abagesa labalani.
Production, come on.
You
Okay, never mind. You're that age.
Why not?
Oh,
26?
gun qualifier.
Oh yeah.
26.
Yeah.
It's not about qualifying. Like, did you date him though?
Yeah, I was dating. I was
manager.
management.
Phela yona Roma leya ikhona uthi
Yeah, yabo leyo
okay,
management
yona
part.
bento enza ukuthi ungaqashi mina. I won't lie to you. At that time,
At
Man.
that time.
Iman,
ngikhulume nendoda ukuze ngikhulume nosiswati.
Yeah.
That was no, bro, I
in
promise
this
you,
time,
that was the time.
was this on in the streets?
I think now.
Because ngiyaqala nqa ukuyizwa le ndaba, and I'll tell you if I heard it. Anginawo amanga.
Awukazuyizwe ne?
Ngiyaqala namhlanje.